Welcome back. Today we're going to go through one of the features that the Hyundais come with, that is called the Apple Carplay and Android Auto. Now in our line of vehicles, you get it in the Hyundai Atos, the Hyundai Accent, the Hyundai Elantra, you get it in the Ioniqs, the higher ends of the Tucsons, your Santa Fe's as well. So you do have quite a lot of vehicles that we carry that has that feature. It really gives you a truly hands-free experience. So I'll go ahead and go through it with you. So now that the app is installed, all we have to do with the cable, plug it into the phone. The other part goes into the USB port that you see below. Now it starts to read the USB here. Once it is connected and you're using it for the first time, you see these messages come up. Alright, so just press continue, allow phone calls, allow your call access, even your location as well, and messages. And so you just allow everything so that it will function properly. Continue, get the permissions in on the phone. Right, so now your phone is connected. And once connected, this is highlighted on your display, Android Auto. So I just select it. The screen will then come up with your different selections. You have your maps, your Waze, the ability to dial out on your phone, and the settings as well. Plus music if it is you wish. So if it is I want, I can go to music, or I can go to my maps. And one of the benefits of this is on your steering wheel, you do have your voice recognition. So this icon here, this top button, you can press, it will bring up your Google Assistant. You can press it. Take me to the nearest restaurant.
Okay, handing off to Waze.
Alright, so if I wanted, let's select Victoria Avenue, go, calculate seats that I have to take. Simple as that. If you wanted your radio to be playing while I'm on the road and my maps are on. Great. So if you need more information, you can get through to me, 788-1302, also available via WhatsApp. Thank you.